Readings are stable, pure as ever.
Pressure's holding steady? Good.
An expansive exterior tracking shot reveals the next leg of the raw water's journey.
The camera shifts its focus to 3 colossal, vertical silos standing like sentinels outside the main factory.
Intake sample is clear. Proceed with filtration.
Backwashing sequence initiated.
The camera slowly pushes in on a gleaming rack of polished stainless steel housings, the containment units for the essential microfilters.
After the aggressive, brute force purification of reverse osmosis, the water is exceptionally pure, but also
The final purification step, ozonation, is presented as a mysterious and powerful process.
The bottling process begins not with a bottle, but with its embryonic form, the preform. A fork.
Now, the perfectly aligned preforms now enter the oven, a critical heating stage that prepares them for the molding process.
The exterior of the blow molder machine is a marvel of high-speed, precision engineering. It is a
high-speed camera transports us deep inside the blow molder, offering a breathtaking slow-motion view of a bottle's birth.
The newly formed bottles, now empty, fully cooled and incredibly lightweight, are. Before they can be filled, the newly molded bottles must be perfectly clean. They arrive at the rinse station.
We arrive at the vibrant, chaotic heart of the factory, the rotary filler. This massive.
Immediately following the filling process, with absolutely no time to spare, the freshly filled bottles move to the capper.
To feed the relentless, insatiable speed of the capper, a continuous and massive supply of caps is needed.
To effectively manage the flow of product between different machines that operate at varying speeds, the bottles enter an accumulation table.
The bottles, having been sorted back into a neat single-file line, now enter the labeler to receive their brand identity.
The final touch is applied to the bottle itself, a mark of traceability and safety. A sophisticated
The single-file stream of finished, inspected bottles now enters the first stage of secondary packaging.
Once a perfect group of 24 bottles is formed, it moves forward into the shrink wrapper.
The loosely wrapped pack of bottles immediately glides into the ominous opening of the heat tunnel. The distinct roar of powerful industrial fans is clearly audible. The newly shrink-wrapped 24 packs continue their journey down the conveyor line, now as solid, stable units.
To navigate the factory's complex, multi-level layout, the main conveyor line of water packs encounters a spiral elevator.
The final stage of automated packaging is handled by a massive, bright yellow robotic arm, the palletizer.
To feed the tireless robotic palletizer, a steady and reliable supply of empty pallets is absolutely essential.
Once the robot has finished building a full pallet, the completed stack of water cases, still slightly wobbly and unstable.
The newly wrapped, solid pallet of water comes to a complete stop, its packaging phase nearly complete.
The scene shifts to the loading dock, the factory's bustling gateway to the outside world. In a fast-motion time-lapse, the entire loading process unfolds with incredible, mesmerizing speed.
It's the last one. Sign here, please. All right. Have a good one.
The fully loaded semi-truck pulls away from the loading dock and navigates its way out of the factory gates.
The journey continues on the vast, open road. A dramatic, low-angle shot, taken from the perspective of the asphalt itself.
Just this water, thanks.